Welcome back to the What is SEO? SEO for Beginners series. In the last video, we went over SEO factor number 6, site authority. We went over what makes a site authoritative and the keys to making your site more authoritative in the eyes of Google. In this video, we are on number 7 of the 10 most important ranking factors, and that is security. SEO factor number 7, security. Another ranking factor that you may have already implemented is security. If this isn't in place on your website, it is going to be tough for you to rank highly. Google takes security very seriously. They don't want to send people to unsecured websites where data could be breached. If you use Chrome as your web browser, you may have seen a not secure warning when trying to visit specific sites. This warning is shown on websites where the data between the browser and the server is not properly encrypted. Now, does Google require security, an SSL certificate? Actually, yes, they are requiring it. Google is pushing web owners to implement an SSL certificate on their website. The aim of Google is to become the trusted search engine, and to do that, Google has to show only websites that are secure in their search results. And that's why Google is giving a rank push to HTTPS sites. So how do you know if your website is secure? An easy way is just to look in the URL bar where the website address is typed. Depending on which web browser you use, you should see an HTTPS before the web address, or you'll see a little security icon. It's a lock in the Chrome browser. If your website isn't secure, you can make it secure using an SSL certificate. Let's Encrypt is a free SSL certificate that you can install on your website. If you don't know how to install it, talk to your webmaster or web host and they should be able to do it for you. We like to use WP Engine for our website hosting because it comes with a free SSL certificate and it is super seamless to implement. And a note here, if you do purchase an SSL through your hosting provider, do not let your certificate expire. You have to keep it up. If you don't, web browsers will no longer be able to show your website with that expired certificate, and it will come through as an error to anyone trying to access your site. And let me tell you that it is not fun to get it all fixed. You'll have to trust me on that one. When you do get your renewal for your SSL, renew it immediately, or better yet, put it on auto renewal, or even just purchase it for multiple years so you don't have to worry. In the next video in the series, we will dive into SEO factor number 8, mobile friendliness.